1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede commuter from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song, Billie Jean, but the way Chris Cornell did it. His cover of Billie Jean. Yeah, fantastic. Very dark. Alright, so let's get to it. Standard tuning, E minor. 1, 2, E minor. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got a C major in there. 1, 2, 3. We got a B7. Okay, and then we got one more thing, but let's talk about that when we get there. So it starts with picking. 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4. And then A minor, we pick 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Back to A minor. It's the verse. Hit a C here. And move that C the same shape up to 5. Pretty fast like that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 2. Like the verse. A minor. E minor. Then we have the bridge. C, start strumming here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Back to C last time. B7. Chorus, Billie Jean. Interesting chord right there. That's A with a B flat. Spooky. So put your pinky on 3rd fret G string. Back to A minor. Second verse. C minor. Start strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time to C. And hang on B7. Billie Jean. And then we got a guitar solo, which is over C, the C to E part, C to E, C to E, C to B, and then we just have the outro, which is the chorus. Last time, I think it's a double chorus at the end. You will hear it. Last time they go to C to A minor. Don't think twice. So that's C to A minor, and then the end on E there. All right, so let's do a review before we end the lesson, like we always do. Verses. A minor picking, E to A, E to A, E to A, and then C, a quick D, it looks like a C, and then again, E minor, A, E minor, and then pre-chorus, C to E minor, C to E minor, C to E minor, C, B7, and then chorus, same chords, A, just faster switching. Billie Jean, E to A, E to A. And then remember that note. That's the coolest part of the whole song. Alright, folks, Chris Cornell rocks. R.I.P. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome songs. Be well, be safe.